Hello, beautiful people. I am Jane.M, and this is, of course, Jane.M TV, baby. Welcome back to my channel. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be alerted whenever I post, and that's on period. I'm sure you can hear from the intro that I'm not doing so great this morning. I'm in the studio currently, and my carpenter is on his way to come dismantle the workbench, and the moving process is going to begin basically today. We are just gonna see how everything is gonna pan out, because after dismantling the workbench we need to get somebody to take these things home. So I am hoping, because I don't know how much a van can carry, I need the workbench and the little unit there by the corner, the cabinet thing, and at least one of the big sewing machines to be taken in one go. And then the tiny little stuff my sister and I can carry in our little car. And then my brother also can come through and carry some other stuff, some other tiny stuff. And then the only big items that will be left in the studio will be the other big machine and the couch. So I'm hoping for only 2 trips with the van. That is how much I've budgeted for, because I really don't have money like that. Let me just show you how it's looking underneath the table. So that is everything underneath the workbench currently. It's patterns of things I've recently done. What you call this? This at this corner is the watch, and those frames I had wanted to put on the walls. I didn't end up doing that. And over here, like I said, it's patterns in paper and my stuff that I use when I'm drafting. So I need to get rid of those things before they get here. Also, I need to pack up over here. I'm gonna ask them to take this off the wall, because I can't do it myself. So I'm gonna ask them to do that for me as well while they're here. I need to pack up everything over here. It's mock-ups and extra violin, my other iron and tool kit, and recent mock-up that I used as a pattern. I just need to take care of all of those things. Over here, there's nothing much. I just need to pack these things up on the rail, pack the rail up. At least I didn't throw away the box. It's still back here. So it's great being a hoarder. Okay, I have 1 minute left in the camera, so anything that I shoot from now on, it's probably gonna be from my phone. Yeah, I have 1 minute of memory left, so I'll catch you up once the carpenter is here. Yeah. Okay, so I've cleared everything from underneath the workbench, and the only things that are left in there, also I moved stuff that was here. The iron is over there containing some other things. The bag is full of patterns. On the ironing board, it's the frames and the watch and my toolkit and this pressing ham. And then at the back of the workbench is still my tiny sewing machines. I'm gonna take them out once the carpenter gets here, and those will be carried by my sister and I home. Yeah, that's how the studio is looking. Looks better in the mirror because from this side I get a glare. When I turn this side, I get a terrible glare of the light. Let me come over here. But that's how it's looking. Yep, last time you have seen the studio like this. This is an end of an era. We should be excited for new things that are coming, but I'm not. Yeah. Guys, the first time we were here, I was recording. I'm here now recording once again. This is another closed chapter, but we have done so much with this place. We have learned so much from it. We are so happy. We have achieved so much. To have trusted ourselves with something like this is amazing. We are so thankful to God for this. And moving forward, you know, better things are coming. Pretty sure of it. So you're just cleaning up the space, leaving it clean. Yeah, that's it. Do you want to say something?
No.
She's beside herself. She is beside herself. We tried everything, guys. I wanted to save the place, but with my finances being my finances, I can't afford this space anymore. Even if I try to help, we can't afford it. And she doesn't have clients every single month. Some months we don't have clients at all, so trying to keep this place would be crazy. Yeah, she's going to borrow the thingy, dust, whatever. Yeah, that's it, guys. Okay, guys, I know I didn't show you how the studio now looks. This is the new studio space. This is where Pinky is. That's where the iron is currently. And the workbench is over here. It's a tiny space, but it's gonna have to do, baby girl. I got one of the chairs in here because I can't have both of them in here at the same time. There are the sewing machines. Yeah. And then over this side is our little what do you call this? The rail and that table that I always use. That big unit is over here next to this little closet space situation. Yeah, that's it. And I want to sign the vlog out right here. Thank you guys so much for watching, for supporting. Please continue liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing to the channel. Support your girl. And the members only is now open. You can support the girl. All of the tutorials for the previous tutorials that we had on the channel are over there. and I'm going to be starting with some new tutorials for you guys, so be on the lookout for that on the not OnlyFans, on the members only. All right, see you later.